guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you what I am doing in my holiday activities. And these things I'm gonna tell you today, you can do it at home like me, what I do. So today I'm gonna tell you what activity I'm doing, okay? And also nowadays you need to stay at home because of coronavirus, so you can do all of these stuff at home, good things, okay? So let's start with the first one. Starting by doing exercise. You can use any exercise you want, anything, but you need to do exercise because these days everyone's staying at home, being lazy, like staying at bed, but that's not good for your health. So you need to do some exercise. Okay, so let's go to the second one. The second one is gonna be cooking with your mom. With my mom, I cooked really nice things, pancakes, pizza in the holidays. You can come start learning and helping your mom in the dishes and stuff. That's really good, and your health will be awesome. Okay. Also, you can learn many things in the kitchen with your mom, especially your mom. So let's go to the third one. Spending time with your family. Example me, I am spending now my time with my brother and my sister and my parents, because in the past when I would go for school, I would never see them because I spend more time at school, not with my family. So now you can more spend time with your family, especially because now these days everyone is watching in the phone and stuff, and that's not good. You need to spend time with your family more, good for you, because maybe after in the future you'll never see them again. You never know. So let's go to the fourth one. The fourth one is gonna be art and craft. You can, example, print. Okay, you can print and color and draw, and you can also use social media for helping or like learning you draw. And you can use also YouTube. You can write like how to draw this, like how to draw a deer or like any cute stuff. So yeah, that's it. For art and craft, you can do like crafts like out of Play-Doh and stuff, and really good for like memory. Like you can do future memory, like you'll think that, oh, I did that in my holiday. It will be like memory for you. Okay, so let's go to the fifth one. The fifth one is gonna be doing some challenges with your family. For example, the pause challenge. I know everyone knows this pause challenge. Means you need to freeze or stop a person and do something funny for him. Okay, so that's the pause challenge, and I know everyone can like do it because it's at home and you can see social media has more ideas about it. Okay, right? The pause challenge. Okay, so let's go to the second one. The second one game you can play is completing the word game. Example, I say grass. The other person needs to start a word with a S. Okay, and it will be continue. Okay, that's it. So let's go to the third one. Talking in one language for 1 day means you can pick any language you want, and you can talk one if like you need to say, like if you speak another language that you will. Okay, so that's it for this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, put the notification on. It will be best for me and you. So see you next video. So bye.